Hey y'all, what's good? It's your girl Nai. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you. And to my returning subscribers, hey boo, welcome back. So in today's video, I am giving you all another feminine hygiene related video, and this time we are talking about our period emergency kit. So if you're interested, stay tuned, but first, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so you'll be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. Now that that's done, let go. Hey girl, hey, so let's just go ahead and get into what's inside my period emergency kit. So this is my period emergency kit, and you definitely can't tell because it looks like a makeup bag, and I got this from Target. I do have a video on this already, and it's in my what's in my bag video, so I'll definitely link that video either here or here so you can see it. But I wanted to make a separate video on what I keep inside of my period emergency kit. This video can definitely help out all of the women, especially the young ladies who are like first time experiencing their period, or they don't know what to pack, things like that. So I just thought this video was very important to make. So like I said, you can get this little makeup bag or any other makeup bag or any cute little bag that you have at home. You don't even have to go out and spend money. If you have like a pencil case or whatnot, that would be perfect to stick your period essentials in. Yeah, so just get something that's very discreet that you can put in your purse, your book bag, whatever. So this is mine. It says get chic done, and it's just super cute, and you will never know that I have my period stuff in here. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing that I grabbed out was some hand sanitizer. As you all know, we are in the middle of a pandemic, but also before the pandemic, I always had a thing of hand sanitizer inside of my period emergency kit because I like to keep my hands clean, and you want to make sure that your hands are clean before you touch any of your period products, because your hands are going to be close to the products that will be by your downstairs area. So you want to make sure that you have clean hands. If you could wash your hands before you change out your pad, your tampon or anything, that'll be a plus. But if you can't make it to wash your hands, make sure you always have some hand sanitizer to make sure that your hands are clean before touching any of the products that are going downstairs. So the next thing that I pulled out was this Ziploc bag, and I also have a clean pair of cotton underwear. I like to keep this inside my period emergency kit because you never know whenever you're going to have an accident, where you're going to be. So it's always important to have an extra pair of underwear. And also the Ziploc bag is also important as well. So that way, when you're in the bathroom, you could change out your old underwear, put on your new pair of underwear, so you won't be walking around with like blood-stained underwear or anything like that. And whenever you put it inside your Ziploc bag, once when you get home, you could go ahead and throw it inside the washer, so that way your underwear won't be touching any of your things that are inside your period emergency kit. So I thought having a little Ziploc bag and an extra pair of clean underwear was perfect to add to my period emergency kit. So the next thing that I pulled out was some tampons. I keep at least 2 to 3 tampons inside of my period emergency kit. I'm not really a tampon type of girl, but you know, it's just something to have in there, you know, just in case if you run out of pads, in case you didn't refill it up the next night or whatnot, whatever. The brand that I got these tampons from is from the L brand. You guys know, if you've seen any of my feminine hygiene video, you guys know that I'm always talking about the L brand because it's organic cotton. It doesn't have any bleach, parabens, dyes, no fragrances or anything like that. And I just think it's a really good period brand like company. So yeah, I have their tampons in here. The next thing I pulled out was some panty liners, and these are also from the L brand. Nice simple packaging, doesn't have all that extra stuff in there, on the packaging. So these are panty liners. These are definitely for like your lighter days, like when you're spotting, or if you're ending your period and your flow is just not that heavy, it's in the process of ending, but you still have some flow coming out. So these are perfect for catching that. I also keep like 2 to 3 panty liners inside of my period emergency kit. So yeah, there's that, and these are also from the L brand if I did not mention that already. So the next thing that I pulled out of my period emergency kit was a pad. I usually keep 2 or 3 pads inside of my period emergency kit, but as you guys know, if you haven't been seeing any of my vlogs, I am pregnant, so I haven't refilled my period emergency kit since the last time I had my period, so I only have one inside of there. It is always good to have at least 2 to 3 pads inside of your period emergency kit, so that way when it's time to change out your pad, you have an extra one. Whenever your period comes on, you have one. If you're not on your period, and if one of your close friends get their period, and if you want to be, if you want to be nice or whatever and let your friend borrow a pad because they don't have one, you got one. So yeah, it's always good to have extra. But yeah, and these are also from the L brand as well. All of my period essentials like pads, tampons, panty liners, I get them from the L brand. So yeah. And then the last and final thing that I pulled out was some flushable wipes. And these flushable wipes are from Good Wipes, and they're called the Down There wipes. And I have the rose water scent. It says that it's rose water, but the scent on these are very, 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 very faint. And I've been using these for like the longest, and nothing hasn't happened to me. But they also have like different ones, so if you want to check them out, definitely check them out. As you guys can see, they come in individual packaging, which is perfect. That way you won't have to have like a big old thing of wipes and just pull one out and let's just say that they end up drying out. So yeah, you don't have to have that problem because you have them individually wrapped, and that is super nice. I'm gonna keep mentioning this again. If you've seen any of my feminine hygiene related videos, you guys know that I absolutely love flushable wipes because I just feel like they clean you better than tissue. So yeah, that's why I have flushable wipes in here. So yeah. So that is everything that was inside of my period emergency kit. So another thing I would like to mention that you can put inside of your period emergency kit is some painkillers. If you have really bad cramps, definitely pack some, at least like, I don't know, 2 or 3 to get through the day or whatnot. I don't know, just make sure you read the directions on the bottle so you know when to take it, how many hours you have to take them in between, how many to pack. So yeah, definitely pack those inside your period emergency kit. My cramps aren't really that bad, so they're bearable to me. So that's why I don't pack. That's why I don't have any painkillers inside my bag. So yeah. All right, y'all. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Like, smash that like button right now. Also, comment down below, what do you like to keep inside of your period emergency kit? Or if you saw anything in today's video that you're thinking about adding to your period emergency kit, let me know inside the comment section down below. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can be notified whenever your girl posts a new video. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.